More video surveillance, cloud storage. Trespassers will be stomped, and you know it. What do you think? Never turns off. Internet. Motion censored. Got so much video surveillance and spotlights and internet that I can't even count. It's too many to count. Video surveillance notifies people. So if I don't see it, other people see it and they'll come to arrest you. Want to be arrested? What do you think? Little kids swing. One of the nicest, flattest spots you can get. One of the least wettest spot when it floods. Gold's most favourite spot right here. Gold's way more than famous and way more than known all the way around the world. It's more than global, famous. Off-grid living and off-grid building work. Just here to show you off-grid living and off-grid building work and much, much more. The whole property is 760 acres of rainforest. 760 acres of rainforest on the edge of millions of acres of rainforest. Goes from one valley to the other valley, from one mountain to the other mountain. 760 acres. See how much fun he's having. It's one of his most favourite spots in the world. It's only for gold. Censored video surveillance. When I went past, the sensor turned on. Filming me on cloud storage. So if a branch falls down and damages the camera, or someone comes here, does anything to the camera, I've still got all the footage on cloud stored on my computer and on my phone, stored on cloud's hard drive. Video surveillance. Private driveway covered in rainforest and video surveillance. Light will turn on when it gets a little bit darker. Video camera works in the daytime and night time. It's got night vision sensors and day sensors. More road base. What do you think? video surveillance, censored lights, some of the strongest spotlights, blinding spotlights. More than getting dark. Something keeps moving in front of the camera, sending me notifications. Moved some walling tin and roofing tin. Show you how to build walls and a roof and a whole building out of wood and tin and metal, plus more building materials, off-grid building. Way more than off-grid building. All I want to do is show people and teach people how to do off-grid building and building anywhere people would like to do building. It's a lot harder to do off-grid building than do building in a city or a town or a suburb. But you can use this same building to do it anywhere you would like to, or anywhere you can afford to do it. Off-grid building work. Stonemason work. Professional stonemason. After I show you how to build a few rock walls, I'll show you how to build a rock pizza oven. And then I'll show you the pizzas that I cook in the pizza oven. I'll build a rock pizza oven. More than stonework. professional stonemason. More hardwood off-grid building work, building materials. Hardwood building materials. Was here before I got the place. Look what the guy left here before I got the place. Now I've got to move all someone else's stuff, take it to the dump, show you how to take all this stuff to the tip if you would like, show you how to do tip runs. Not one thing here's mine, bro. Was here when I got the place. Person who had the place before me couldn't even drive, let alone take care of his own mess, bro. Left his own mess to me. A lot of stuff in here's from his daughter. As if you'd give anything or allow your daughter to have anything you can see. Everything from in here's gone. If you watch some content from before this content, you'll see how much stuff's been moved. Off-grid building work. Yes? What do you think? Hardwood building materials. Private driveway. Gold's private driveway. Gold gets better than humans. What do you think? More building materials, hardwood, more building tin, off-grid building. Tin and hardwood building materials weren't here. Last bit of content before this one. You can see the difference. Way more than see the difference. More stonemasonry work. More video surveillance. Next time I'll show you the difference on what's going to happen to this spot. You'll have to wait and see the next bit of content. You'll be way more than mind blown if you watch this. The next bit of content will mind blow you. This should already mind blow you. The nicest off-grid rainforest and off-grid building in the country. Could be some of the rarest, nicest rainforest in the world, not just in the country. Have you seen better nicer, more healthier rainforest? What do you think? Drop a like and a message. Let us know what you think about the rainforest and the off-grid building work and the building work you can do anywhere. More stonemason work. Building walls out of rocks and way more. Off-grid rock building. Off-grid building. Another walkway for off-grid building work. Nicest, cleanest place I've ever been in my life. Will always be the nicest, cleanest place I've been in my life. I've toured to nearly every continent in the world. For myself and for work that I do. More video surveillance on the private driveway. Trespassers will be not prosecuted. Trespassers will be stomped. More than stomped. More than dragged into the rainforest. Never seen again. Telling me you won't be filmed. Doesn't cost me any money for power because they're on solar power. So they'll turn on any time and record you, film you. And I'll see every minute and every second of it anywhere in the world.